All right, this is Rachel. Rachel has been an awesome patient of ours for a long, long time. Rachel has dealt with, for a long, long time, debilitating heel pain, and today is especially a rough day. And so, Rachel, rate your pain 0 out of 10, if 10 were worst pain imaginable right now.
I'm probably a 7.
7. So it's pretty bad. It's pretty frustrating. So we're going to do a 1 treatment challenge with her on the FX405, 10 minutes on the heel setting, and we're going to check back and see how she's doing. All right, we just finished up the heel protocol with Rachel. So we put her on 10 minutes of the FX405, both the red and violet. So go ahead and stand on up, move around and tell us. So we were at about a 7 out of 10 to the point where she was hobbling pretty good. So let's see if there's some improvement there.
You want me to stand up?
Yeah, go ahead and stand up. Just walk around for a minute and tell me if you notice any sort of improvement there.
Oh my gosh.
Improvement?
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Is it better?
Yeah.
Yeah? How much better?
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're okay.
Oh, I'm probably like maybe a 3.
So at least a good 50% reduction.
Wow.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's a miracle.
Yeah. I feel so good. No, you're good. You're good. I'll turn this off and give you a big hug.